this is a vacancy notified by Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. You will visit their website and you will see that this is the position on second number they have uploaded it, and this is the apply now button for you to apply. This is the complete vacancy. There are 2 positions, and the monthly remuneration is 80,000. Initial term of engagement shall be 1 year, and the age limit is 30 years. You only need to have a bachelor's of law, LLB degree. The other post qualification experience and educational qualification is desirable. They have given a detailed notification about the nature of duties involved and everything. The last day of receipt of application is 1st of January 2026. So this is the portal where you have to apply. They have given the link as well on the website. You can see the notification is in Hindi language as well, so you can go through the notification, the PDF notification on the website if you want. It will also be uploaded on the Plead Law Instagram page, so you can read it from there also. So this is the position, associate consultant, for 1 year. Minimum experience required is 0 year they have written. Okay, maximum age is 30 years. Initially it will be, the term of engagement will be for 1 year, and the remuneration is 80,000 rupees. If you have any other query, you can drop it in the comment section below. If you want to read the notification, you can visit the Plead Law Instagram page and read the notification there. Okay.